Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Paper pinhole glasses. Correct answer is paper pinhole glasses are a simple yet effective vision correction tool that works by blocking out direct light and focusing light through a small hole, reducing the effects of refractive errors. They can help improve vision clarity for individuals with mild vision problems, but they are not a substitute for prescription eyeglasses or professional eye care. It is important to consult an optometrist for a comprehensive eye examination and proper vision correction recommendations.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.